Hello everyone, welcome to WPManageNinja. Today I'm here with another FluentBooking video on how to schedule a group meeting. You know what's surprisingly tough? Getting a group of people in the same meeting between conflicting schedules, time zones that do not match with invitees, even last minute changes, and also how many invitees you want per slot. Defining so many things can turn into a serious headache. But indeed, it doesn't have to be that way. If you are a consultant, an educator, or you are planning to take webinars, online classes, or anyone who needs to meet with multiple people at once, then having a solid group booking system is truly important. And that's exactly what FluentBooking is built for. It's very simple, flexible plugin that lets you do everything for you, like scheduling a group meeting. You can set attendee limits, share availability, and let people book on their own time. Just a smooth, smart scheduling that works. So in this video, I'll make something like that and stick with me till the end. I'm pretty sure you will have a fully professional group booking setup that's ready to roll. Let's get into it. So I'm right inside my WordPress dashboard, and from the sidebar, I'm heading straight to FluentBooking. So once I'm in, I'll click over to the calendar tab, and under this host, I'm creating a new event type to get things rolling. I have got two options here, one-on-one and group. So I'm going to the group meeting, which will allow multiple attendees to join the same time slot. So before anything else, I need to complete the event details section. So I'll give it an event name, let's say diet consultation. You can call it whatever fits your session. Right under that is the description. So I'm keeping it short and clear, something I have prepared earlier. So I'll just paste it in there. So my invitees will instantly know what to expect and come prepared. Now for the location, I'm picking Google Meet for this one, but you could just as easily go with Zoom or even a physical addresses if it's in person. Just make sure you have got Zoom or Google Meet connected to FluentBooking. If you are not sure how, we have got separate videos on our channel that walk you through the integration step by step. So next up is maximum invitees, which is crucial for the group meetings. I usually keep it to 5 or 6 people for each slot, so the conversation stays focused and everyone gets a chance to speak. For this one, I'm setting it to 5. Well, I'm also taking this little box to show how many spots are left. That's a nice touch because it creates a bit of urgency for people to grab their spot before it's gone. All right, just click continue, and now I'm on the availability page. Right now, I'm using the within feature days option to define the specific days that I want to keep my booking active. So let's say I'm setting it to 30. If you want more control, you can switch to the date range option, or if you don't want any limits at all, you can just use the indefinitely into the future. Furthermore, the set custom hours options lets me create a schedule just for this event, so I can block off holidays or only allow bookings on the specific days I am available for this event. Here's the date override feature. It's super handy for handling exceptions to my usual schedule. So if I'm taking a day off or opening up on a holiday, I can update it right here. What I need to do is just select the date, adjust the available hours, or if I'm not available at all, I just tick the unavailable box. So that's it. Just hit save. Well, moving forward. I might have multiple meetings in a day. For that, I'm adding a little buffer time, let's say 10 minutes before and after, so I can take preparation and breathe. I'm also setting a minimum notice time, so I'll have enough heads up before the meeting. And also, I'm setting a daily limit of 4 sessions and keeping total time at 120 minutes so I don't burn out. But one thing, leave lock time zone off unless it's an in-person meeting. That way, everyone sees the meeting time in their local time. Let's take a look at the question settings. I'll add customized questions for the session so I can understand each participant's purpose for joining. By the way, the name and email fields are included by default and they can't be disabled. So next, let's make the meeting more effective with a structured agenda. So I'll scroll down to the email notification, hit the edit icon next to booking confirmation email to attendee, and just paste my agenda right in there. So as you can see, here is my agenda. I'm also turning on a few extra notifications, confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups so nobody forgets the meeting. Well, now for the advanced settings, I'm updating the booking title and adding a short code so it shows in the booking details and all related emails. So I'll keep turning off the rescheduling and cancellation options just to make sure that if someone needs to cancel or reschedule a meeting after a booking is scheduled. And here's a big one, enabling the payments. Okay, so I'm using Stripe since I have already connected it to FluentBooking. If you haven't done that yet, check out my other video, link in the description, so to make sure it's connected. And here you go. The calendar is all set to receive my first appointment. So let's book a slot to see if everything is working fine or do I have to make any changes, and can book whatever works best for them. So let's schedule the appointments. So, and the confirmation message says it all the details are here. You can take a look. As a client, I can easily cancel or reschedule a meeting if I want. If I get back to the bookings section, I can easily access all the details I need. So when people book with you and land on a clean branded page that looks like it belongs to your business, so it sends a message like it says you're organized, you respect their time, you run things professionally. And that perception matters because it builds trust before the meeting even starts. Plus, since you are automating the scheduling side, so you are freeing up time to focus on the actual work, like delivering value in the meeting, not just coordinating it. So that's how you can take group meeting scheduling from a headache to something that works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.